Hello, learners. Welcome to Listen and Learn. If you are watching this video, it means you want to improve your English. Maybe you understand English when you read or listen, but you feel nervous when you speak. Maybe you know grammar rules, but you cannot use them naturally. Maybe you practice sometimes, but you do not see real improvement. Do not worry, you are not alone. Many B1 learners feel the same way. In this video, you will learn how to grow your English skills in just a few days using clear, simple, and realistic methods. Let me explain clearly what you will learn in this video. In this lesson, you will learn how to improve your English speaking skills step by step. You will learn how to practice English at home without a teacher or partner. You will learn how to think in English instead of translating in your head. You will learn how to improve your listening skills naturally. You will learn how to build strong daily English habits. You will learn how to feel confident when you speak English. This video is made especially for B1 English learners. The English is simple and clear. The explanations are slow and detailed. You do not need expensive courses. You do not need special apps. You only need time, patience, and daily practice. Please watch this video until the end because every part connects to the next part. Now, let us begin our English growth journey. Understanding your current level. Before you grow your English skills, you must understand where you are now. As a B1 learner, you already know basic English. You can understand simple conversations. You can read easy texts. You can write short messages. But you may have problems with speaking fluently, finding words quickly, pronunciation, confidence, long conversations. This is normal for B1 learners. You do not need to go back to beginner level. You also do not need advanced grammar. You need practice, repetition, and confidence. Your goal is not perfect English. Your goal is clear communication. The most important thing, mindset. Many learners fail not because of lack of knowledge, but because of a wrong mindset. Let us talk honestly. If you think my English is bad, your brain will stop trying. If you think I always make mistakes, you will feel afraid to speak. If you think others are better than me, you will lose motivation. You must change this thinking. English is not a talent. English is a skill. Skills grow with practice. You were not born speaking your first language. You learned it slowly, day by day. English works the same way. Mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are teachers. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. From today, say this to yourself every day. I am learning English. I am improving step by step. I am allowed to make mistakes. Confidence starts inside your mind, not in grammar books. Why you should stop translating. One of the biggest problems for B1 learners is translation. Most learners think like this. First, they think in their own language. Then, they translate into English. Then, they try to speak. This process is slow and stressful. This is why you feel nervous when speaking. To speak English naturally, you must think in English. Do not worry. You do not need to think in complex English. Start with very simple thoughts. For example, I am hungry. I am tired. I am happy today. I am learning English now. Say these sentences in your head many times a day. When you look at objects, name them in English. Chair, table, phone, laptop, window. When you do actions, describe them in English. I am walking. I am drinking water. I am watching a video. I am studying English. This practice trains your brain to think directly in English. At first, it feels strange, but after a few days, it becomes natural. Speaking practice without a partner. Many learners say, I cannot speak because I have no partner. This is a big excuse. You can practice speaking alone every day. Method 1. Self-talk practice. Self-talk is one of the best methods for speaking practice. Every day, speak to yourself for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Talk about simple things. Talk about your day. Talk about what you did yesterday. Talk about what you will do tomorrow. For example, today I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I watched an English video. I learned new words. Do not stop speaking. Do not worry about mistakes. Fluency comes from continuous speaking, not perfect sentences. Method 2. Mirror speaking. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at your face. Look at your mouth movements. Speak slowly and clearly. This method helps you feel comfortable, build confidence, improve body language. Pretend you are talking to a real person. Smile and relax. Building strong vocabulary the right way. Vocabulary is very important, but many learners learn it in the wrong way. Do not memorize long word lists. Do not learn very difficult words. Learn useful words that you can use every day. Focus on daily life topics such as daily activities, work and study, travel, food, emotions. Learn only 5 to 10 new words per day. For each word, do 3 things. Understand the meaning, learn the pronunciation, make one simple sentence. For example, word, practice. Sentence, I practice English every day. Use the word when you speak. Use the word when you write. If you use a word, it stays in your memory. Part 6. Listening, the foundation of speaking. Listening is one of the most important skills for English growth. If you listen well, you speak well. Many learners listen passively. They play English audio but do not focus. You must listen actively. Choose simple English content, such as English learning YouTube videos, short podcasts, simple stories, daily conversation videos. First, listen without stopping. Try to understand the main idea. Second, listen again. Pay attention to pronunciation and sentence structure. Repeat sentences aloud. This improves your listening, speaking, and pronunciation at the same time. Stay motivated and consistent. Some days you will feel motivated. Some days you will feel tired. This is normal. Do not stop. Even 10 minutes of practice is better than nothing. English grows slowly but surely. Trust the process. Conclusion. Final message. In this video, you learned how to grow your English skills in a few days. You learned how to change your mindset, think in English, practice speaking alone, improve listening skills, build a daily routine. If you follow these steps honestly, you will see improvement. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing your English skills.